In this video, I want to show you how to restore any object if you delete it accidentally, and also I want to show you how or where the physical database is located. So for the user, let's go to our server and then go to tools and then go to administrative center. Okay, and here if you click on your domain, okay, this is my domain, you will find here a button like enable recycle bin. I already enabled the recycle bin. It's irreversible action. Once you click, you will have just to like a window pop up, click on OK and then OK, and you will enable the recycle bin. And you will have, if you refresh, you will see that you have new folder called deleted objects. So let's do a demonstration. Go to tools, users and computers. Okay, go to users and go to new and create new user. So call it delete test. D test. Okay, and then click on okay, D test. I have already this user, so let's call it 2. D test 2. Okay, remove this one. Is just an example to avoid any mistake we can make with the other users. Give it a password. And then click on next and then finish. So here is my user. If I right click on this user and then I do delete, yes. So now I deleted my user, right? So I can go to the administrative center, refresh here, and I can go to deleted object and I will see my user or any object here, right? Highlight the object and then click on restore and then okay, so just remove this one and then let's go back to users and computers and you will find your user in its place again. Okay, so where is deleted user 2? Here it is. Okay, so this is how to restore a user if or any object if you delete it accidentally. So now let's see where the physical database is located. So you can go to this PC and go to the path where you installed your server, right? So it's in the Windows, so it's in the local disk C. Okay, go and click on the Windows and then fetch for NTDS folder. NTDS stands for New Technology Domain Services. Click on that folder and fetch for a file ntds.dit or dit. So this is the file of the database, so you have to keep this file safe. Alright, so it was quick video just to show you where the physical database location and also how to restore any deleted object. I'll see you in the next video, so please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.